Okay, so what happened to me here, hang on, I screwed this up and I didn't turn that screw out far enough when I pulled the door handle out. You need to run that screw all the way out until it starts clicking and then pull the door handle out so that all these things stay exactly where they need to be. I didn't do that, and then so I got this jammed up when I was trying to put the handle back in, and I ended up trying to reach in here with a pick from the outside and pull these things out. Well, what I accidentally did was, hang on, what I accidentally did, I think, was get the pick on this metal piece. Now watch this brass piece down there. What happens if you accidentally pull on this when you're trying to pull that instead? I hooked this. Let's see if I can hook it again now in video. So I hooked it by accident, I think, and when you pull this back, that brass piece will snap in there. See that? It clicked in there, and then that stays there. And what that does, right where I'm pointing here, this little lever comes up, and then it doesn't allow that piece there. It won't allow that piece to pivot as far as it needs to go anymore. It hits it, see? And then you'll never get that door panel back in there. Now I couldn't see how this all worked because you just can't see in there, and I took the door panel apart and still couldn't see in there because everything's so jammed up. So I had to pull everything out of the door and pull this mechanism out and then figure it out. But if it happens again, here's how we need to fix it. Run your pick in there. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Run your pick in there and get it on this brass piece and just push it in a little bit, and you'll see that silver piece pop back out then. See that? How I do that? And that's all you need to do. See, now that goes back where it needs to go, which puts this piece there that I'm pointing at. It lets that slide back down here, and it gets out of the way of that piece over there where it's pointing. So now that allows this piece to clear when you open it. See, it gives it more clearance. It doesn't hit that piece down below it right there anymore. So that allows I'm not doing very good at this. That allows this to open up as far as it needs to open up. It allows it to open up as far as it needs to open up in order to work properly again. So don't let that piece right there get popped backwards past this thing, or you'll be fuckered. Now I'm going to try to put this back together and get her on the road.